We're in Davenport again today. This is the area of Champions Gate, a beautiful, beautiful area, wonderful community. Has been around for a while and they are still developing it. And we're in Bellaviva, where KB Homes is building a lot more homes to be purchased, brand new. And so the house behind me is the 2387. Floor plans here are named by the square footage of the floor plan. So this is a very nice size 2-story home. And if you have any further questions, things change all the time, and realtors are oftentimes able to negotiate different ways to help you as a buyer. So feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in this home or any of the other homes you've seen on the channel or the areas, and I would love to help you get the best deal that you can on one of these homes. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and let me know what you think down below. If there's anything that you have questions on or anything you want to see in the future, I'd love to try and get some content out to help you. So without further ado, let's check out this home.